fix myself here. Hi everyone, my name's Megan Elaine. I'm out on my walk on my lunch break, enjoying nature and actually relaxing. And I was just sitting here thinking about how there used to be a time when finding some quiet time to relax was not easy because I was so stressed out all the time. And like many of you guys, I was a young parent and a young wife, and we struggled. We struggled a lot financially. We struggled to provide the things that my kids needed, that we needed to live healthy, active lives. Money can be real troublesome when you don't have it. We tried really hard to make a life for ourselves with the little income that we did have. And to be honest, it was really stressful. And sitting down like this in the sun, not having to worry about those things anymore is really an amazing accomplishment that I've been able to get to in my life. Of course, I still stress and still worry about money and stuff, but not like I used to. I know I'm providing so much more for myself and my family by living a simple and humble lifestyle. And for us, that meant giving up all the things that we were striving for, the nice house, the nice furniture, the status quo, so to speak. And we decided that our family and our health was so much more important than, the rules of society and the rules of our parents and our friends. We sold everything we had and we packed up a truck, a trailer, our kids, some ducks, a rooster, and some dogs. And we literally went to the middle of nowhere to try and restart and reboot and just trying to find ourselves and be healthy in life without struggling so much. And it was a struggle. Believe me, moving off the grid without any experience, money, or help isn't easy. But, we learned so much and we gained so much respect for life and for nature. And we really realized that we need simple things in our life to make us feel good and to be healthy and humble. And money can help with that, but that's not really the important thing in life. And although we need money, we really struggled with it. And I just love that I can sit here and now know that I don't make that much money. I hardly have any money, but I have the things that are important to me. I have my health, I have my happiness, and I have a good mind to want to help and inspire people be healthy and happy as well. So for me and my family, just being simple and wholesome and organic and reducing our needs and wants in life has really made such a difference for me and my family in the past decade. Not only has our health and weight and everything changed around, but just our outlook on life and how we feel about things and people and the environment. And for me, I just want to inspire and motivate you guys to realize that we can slow down and we can be okay. And if you're financially struggling right now, there's another way, another path. And you just have to be willing to work hard for it. Not that you don't work hard. We all work hard. But sometimes working hard for yourself is a little bit more rewarding than working for somebody else. So think about that as we move forward through this pandemic and things are starting to reopen in certain areas. Think about how right now you could be making some changes in your life that it could really benefit you and your family now and later. For me, going off the grid, being a homesteader, and even my plant-based nutrition, I am completely revamped my life, my health, my children, and my financial goals in life as well. And I encourage you guys to just slow down, step back a bit, and see what you can do for yourself in this life instead of having to work for somebody else all the time. And for me, that started, like I said, going off grid, but it also started by acknowledging what I needed and my family needed, which was a healthy environment. And that started by growing food, having renewable energy, and being a little more conscious about what we were using, producing, buying, and so forth. So if any of you guys are interested in that kind of lifestyle, I'm actually doing a free workshop on how to start growing food, which I believe is the most essential skill for us to be learning right now, to take with us during this COVID pandemic and after, and something we should be teaching our kids. So if any of you guys want to simplify life a bit, slow down, and work for yourself and not for somebody else, and find a way to be healthy and happy right at home. I invite you guys to join me in my workshop next week. It's free. How to grow food for beginners. Just a little intro to the homesteader's life as far as food and nutrition go. I'm not teaching any plant-based or anything like that. Just how to grow some food, how to get started, where to start, how to get enough for your family, and just appreciate nature and what it does for us and our life and our health. So if you'd like to join me, shoot me a DM, send a comment down below, and I'll hook you up with the information. Like I said, it's free. It's going to be 4 days, how to grow food for beginners. So I hope you'll join me next Monday, 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time in Facebook on our group, Sustainable Healthy Living, with me, your host. I'm a nutrition coach and a sustainable lifestyle teacher. And like I said, I've been off-grid homesteading for over a decade now. So I can't wait to share with you guys how to start simply by growing a little bit of food and be healthy right at home. Have a great day. I'm going to enjoy the rest of my lunch. Not stressing, just relaxing. So I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.